What's your dream vacation? A classic European getaway? Perhaps a sunny island retreat? What about both? Welcome to Gran Canaria, considered by many as one of the few European island heavens remaining. And situated on the southwestern coast, caressed by mountains, kissed by the sea, and blessed by year-round sun, you'll find Club Gran Anfi. This is where you'll find your vacation dreams turning to reality. Guests of Club Gran Anfi will enjoy modern elegance in their luxury suites, a relaxing space of fresh, crisp blues and natural, earthy tones. Greet the morning sea with views from a spacious balcony, or watch bright afternoon colors soften to evening pastels. Club Gran Anfi suites are spacious and well-appointed, offering guests their own private jetted tub. The elegant and inviting kitchens possess all the conveniences of home.
The accommodations here are very good. You've got everything you want. You've got the microwaves, dishwashers, washing machines. You don't want for anything. The favourite part of the accommodation is the views from the rooms.
But lavish, fully equipped suites are only part of this vacation wonderland. Let the family fun begin, and there's plenty of it. A short stroll brings you to Anfi del Mar's beach, the marina, and the central resort facilities. Access multiple pools, live entertainment, shops galore, a market, and even a medical center. Kids will love the Bonito Mini Club and the Grand Park miniature golf course. Even good old-fashioned shuffleboard. Oh yeah, there'll be lots of giggles and smiling faces everywhere. Now, if miniature golf isn't quite what you had in mind, how about the real deal? The Anfi Taro 18-hole championship golf course with a coastal setting as a backdrop. It's a near-perfect place to test your swing and be inspired. After a complete day of activity, you might be ready for the array of delectable dining delights available here. There's a wide variety of international eateries right on site. Tucked away in Club Gran Anfi is the luxurious Gran Bahia Steakhouse, where delicious entrees are paired with a place to enjoy some of the best Atlantic sunsets.
Well, with regard to the Bahia, I like anything that's flambéed. It's done magnificently. It's almost a theatrical show to watch them to do it. It's fantastic.
For more casual dining, there's live music at La Posada. The charcoal barbecue menu here has something for just about everyone. With so much to see and do at Club Gran Anfi, it may be easy to forget you're on Gran Canaria. An abundance of history, culture, fun, and adventure are all within a short distance. Visit the famous Maspalomas Lighthouse, a guiding light to mariners dating back to the 19th century. Or take an exotic camel ride across a spectacular range of sand dunes. Whether it's lounging by the pool, walking the soft, white, sandy beach, or enjoying the charm of Gran Canaria, Club Gran Anfi is the kind of paradise where dream vacations really do come true.